see the label. That's a Trane XB. I can't hardly see it. Trane XB80, I think it's that. I've never heard of that. It's an air handler. It's in Downtown McKinney at this store. But Mom wanted to come look in. I went around and filmed some of the air conditioners back here. Yeah, it's a pretty neat. I don't know if since it's an XB80, if that's like a 8-seer. That's like an 8-seer or what. But here's a football table, which you can hardly see. Got some college shirts right here. And then here's some of the vents up here. I'm zoomed in on my BlackBerry right now. Alright. See if I can see any of the. Yeah, there's the air conditioner right there. It's an XR13. Trane. 2007. There's a Ring Classic right there. There's another Trane XR13. 2.5 ton. Can't see the data on that Ring. What in the heck is all that bang?